Okay, welcome to Blender, guys. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making glass today for a phone background. So we're going to just have the default cube basically. So what we're going to do, we'll go to render, switch out the EV to cycles, and then we're going to go ahead and put in our phone resolution for our screen, which is going to be our pixel size. So you should be able to find this out from Google or from another source as well, such as the phone company's website that you have. So what I'm going to do, let's put the atom right here. Let's go to view. We will go ahead and just click active camera so that we've got the cube right here. What I'm going to do is going to make this a little bit smaller. So S for scale. We're going to press G, bring this up. And then we're going to go and add in a plane. And we will scale this up. And we'll take this this cube right here that's going to be glass. And we're going to place it against the plane. So let's press G, bring this down. Okay, so once we've got this, we'd like the glass to go into it. So I'm just going to make it just slightly bigger and then just bring it up so that it fits roughly the center screen. And what I'm going to do, go to materials, and we'll go from principal BSDF to, let me see, the glass BSDF, yeah? So we're just going to turn down the roughness. And when we do that, we now have our nice little cube at the side. We can adjust the IOR, so you can have it a little bit more shiny, a little bit more vectors in there, no vectors at all. Depends on what you would like. I'm going to go ahead and add a secondary light as well, just at the side, so we can go Shift D, bring this across, so that we can get some of that nice lighting in the back of the cube as well. And what I'm going to do is, let's do some strip lighting, so let's add plane, press G, bring it up, rotate this by 90. And we're just going to go ahead and just scale this across. I might go ahead and just rotate this back, to be honest with you. But I'm going to see what this looks like to begin with. So we'll go new. And then we'll add, we'll change this from principal BSDF to emission. And we'll just turn this emission up just ever so slightly as well. So if we go ahead and just rotate this back so it's flat, so we can go 90. Oops. So it rotates, and then we go 90 on the side. We can get a little bit more light in there and stuff. So if I actually pass this across the top of the cube, you should see that we have like a little reflection as well that's going on. So totally up to you what you'd like to do with it. I'm just going to go ahead and just scale this down just ever so slightly, and then I'm going to place another one just at the back as well. So you've got that nice little back bit, and you can see the reflection of the light just coming across just as is. So let's just make a few of these reflections. Just Shift D. I really should put a black background on the screencasting keys, because you guys are you're gonna have some fun trying to figure that out. So we got some nice little lighting going on at the back right there, just at the back of the cube. And we got some lighting on the ground right here. Totally up to you if you want to change some of the background colours here. So we could go with maybe a nice blue, just to kind of offset that white a little bit. We could also, I don't know, if you really wanted to, we could take these lightings right here, just duplicate them out, Shift D, rotate this at 90, and we could go ahead and press G, bring this forward, press G again just to bring it down, and you just want to kind of catch a reflection just in the front of the cube there. Or maybe at the back you can get some little reflections going on. So it's totally up to you what you want to do with it. You can also make it kind of hazy as well if you wanted to. like a nice little glass. So you could change this to Beckman if you really wanted to. You've also got like line art and stuff, material masks that you can mess around with. You get different settings, pass index and stuff. So it's totally up to you what you want to do with your design, really. But yeah, that's just a basic design that you can do for your mobile phone. I will see you in the next one.